Sunflower seeds are one of those underappreciated foods that offer legitimate nutritional benefits without much fanfare or marketing hype. In the context of ND plus and brain health, they provide a fairly direct connection through their vitamin B3 content, along with several other supportive nutrients. Let's examine what they offer and where the evidence leads us. The most straightforward benefit of sunflower seeds is their niacin content. Like chicken liver, but less dramatically, sunflower seeds provide vitamin B3 that your body converts directly into NAD+. They're not the absolute richest source, but they provide meaningful amounts in a form that's easy to incorporate into various meals or eat as a snack. This makes them a practical option for people thinking about dietary NAD+ support. Sunflower seeds are also rich in vitamin E, offering similar antioxidant benefits to almonds, but with a different nutritional profile overall. The vitamin E protects cell membranes from oxidative damage, potentially reducing the ND+ consumption that occurs during cellular repair processes. They also provide selenium, another antioxidant mineral that's essential for various enzymatic systems, including those involved in protecting against oxidative stress. The healthy fat content in sunflower seeds is predominantly polyunsaturated, including linoleic acid. There's ongoing debate in nutrition science about optimal ratios of different fatty acids, and some researchers have raised concerns about excessive omega-6 polyunsaturated fat intake potentially promoting inflammation. However, in the context of a balanced diet that includes omega-3 sources, the fats in sunflower seeds are generally considered beneficial, or at least neutral for most people. One significant advantage of sunflower seeds compared to tree nuts is that they're much less allergenic. For individuals with nut allergies, sunflower seeds provide many similar benefits without the allergy risk. They're also substantially cheaper than most nuts, making them more accessible for budget-conscious consumers. And they're versatile. You can add them to salads, baked goods, yogurt, or eat them alone. However, let's discuss some important cautions. First, like all seeds and nuts, sunflower seeds are calorie-dense. A quarter cup contains about 200 calories, and because they're small and easy to eat quickly, portion control can be challenging. If you're buying them roasted and salted, which is how they're most commonly sold, you're also getting substantial sodium that could contribute to high blood pressure if consumed in large amounts regularly. Second, sunflower seeds contain phytic acid, sometimes called an anti-nutrient because it can bind minerals and reduce their absorption. For people with marginal mineral status or consuming large amounts of phytic acid from multiple sources, this could theoretically matter, though it's probably not a concern with moderate sunflower seed consumption as part of a varied diet. Third, there's virtually no research specifically examining sunflower seeds and Alzheimer's disease or cognitive decline. The nutrients they contain have been studied, but the whole food itself hasn't been a focus of research. This means we're extrapolating from general nutritional knowledge rather than relying on specific clinical evidence. The environmental footprint of sunflower seed production is generally more favorable than almonds or some other popular nuts and seeds, requiring less water and growing in more diverse climates. This is a practical advantage for sustainability-minded consumers. For practical recommendations, sunflower seeds are a reasonable addition to a brain-healthy diet as one source of beneficial fats, B vitamins including niacin, and antioxidants. Buy them unsalted or lightly salted to minimize sodium intake. Store them properly to prevent rancidity since the fats can oxidize, and treat them as part of your overall nutritional pattern rather than a targeted brain supplement. A tablespoon or 2 daily provides benefits without excessive calories. If you don't like sunflower seeds, you're not missing something irreplaceable. Other nuts, seeds, and whole foods provide similar nutrients. They're a good option, but not a necessary one, and certainly not a treatment for cognitive decline.